Peace. This yarn's Insta-Loc new growth and existing locks using crochet hooks. Now, just so you know, I ain't no professional, I ain't no loctician. Now, I just somebody with years experience of growing and maintaining my own lock. So if your boy tear up your head, my name Bunny. Now, I just use a couple different size and type of crochet hook them with 0.5 and 0.75. And they come in 1 prong, 2 prong, or 3. Today I just could be using 1 and a 0.5. Bam! Now before I do that, what I could do is I could frizz up the new growth with this comb here so it fit into the existing lock even better. Bam! See how he frizz out? Like that there? Now this is the part you gotta get right. I could take this. Okay. Here we go. Let me move my thing to the side so you can see. Okay. I could take this yarn. That's the lock right there. See how that's now making the existing lock a little frizzy too? See that? Now watch this. Okay? Now here's where the hook come in. Alright. All of this here, like imagine my fingers, the hook. The hook gonna go straight through the lock and pull all the stuff that on the outside, on the inside. Okay? You can pull them on the outside from the inside. And just keep doing that all the way down, all the way down. Don't tear up your hair now. Oh, see that right there? I can pull that in. Whew! Got me sweating. Voila! Bam! Your boy can't even tell what I do growth. I've been poking up at the back like alfalfa. Now, I try not to do too much of nothing in my head, as you can see. Just kind of let him do your own thing, not too much of twisting or Insta-Locing and none of that day. I'm just gonna let him do your own thing. So far, so good. There you go. Peace. We out, y'all.